guys, it's Callie from Callie and her friends, and today I'm going to be reviewing this chocolate pen.
The chocolate pen set is made by Real Cooking. Check them out by visiting www.realcookingkids.com. So there's the front of the box. So you can make Rice Krispie Squares and put your creations on it, or cupcakes. But of course it says, or cookies, or of course it says in the instruction book that the recipes for that stuff does not come in the box. So you'll have to make that yourself. All right, why don't we take a look at the back?
Sorry.
All right, so the contents that's in this set is obviously the chocolate pen. It also comes, well, it comes without the batteries, so make sure that you have 2 AAA batteries or it will not work. It comes with 4 pouches of confectionery candy, 3 mold trays, 4 pen tips, 4 clamps, 4 caps, and an instruction sheet. As it says, no mess, disposable pouches. So I like the no mess part.
It's actually a mess. I did try it out before I did it because I didn't know how good I was going to be at it, and I'm sure they're good. And it makes a huge mess. That is a big lie.
All right, let's open this up and see what's inside.
And I already put the batteries in it.
So there is the chocolate pen.
Comes with 3 molds.
And there's the first set of molds, second set of molds, third set of molds.
Here's the first set. I think it goes this way.
So it looks like is there a fish, a teddy bear in this mold?
The dolphin's upside down.
Dolphin. Oh yeah. Very cool.
Here's this one. They all go that way. There's some sweets. A video game controller, a mustache.
Gotta love the video game controller.
I love playing soccer, so I love that one.
The soccer ball. So it looks like there's around 50 molds total because there are 3 of them.
I like the huge heart on this one.
Oh, it's a big heart.
Oh, so the popsicle goes that way, and the gingerbread goes...
Oh, the gingerbread man. Oh, and it looks like a little flower. Right there.
Yeah, that one goes that way, and then this one goes...
Yeah. All right, let's see what else comes in it.
Okay, so I set these aside. The instructions, of course, I already read them, so... This is the chocolate pen package. I'll put the cap in.
Yeah, we might have lost a couple of the pens and the caps or whatever, so...
Yeah. No, I haven't.
Because it has fallen a couple times.
Oopsies.
Looks like a couple clamps. And this is an important part of it.
Yes, this keeps it from leaking.
Maybe that's why the mess happened, because we didn't realize that keeps it from leaking. So we have, I think you used the white chocolate, right?
Yeah, I used the white chocolate. These are all the
So there's the brown, pink, and the blue.
Those are the colors, and I'm going to pick one color to use.
All right, so we're going to go melt the...
Oh, these are the gift bags things. I'll give them to like a friend or someone.
All right, so we will melt one of the chocolates, and we'll come back, and Callie can show us how it's done.
Okay, so we're going to... I picked pink.
All right, and it's already melted, so we spared you from watching it melt for 3 minutes.
Yeah, that kind of took a long time.
It sure does.
It took like close to 5, I guess.
All right, and we were also looking for scissors and a bunch of different stuff.
So we didn't get the big stickers.
Yeah, I couldn't find them.
Sorry, I can't speak today. So scissors, and they like have this little lock on them, which I really like, so like you can't cut it that way.
All right, so why don't you start the process? Aren't you supposed to have it inside the You're supposed to have this thing,
I know.
right?
I'll use this one. There, now I got it open. So I have to keep. This one just doesn't want to work for me. This might take a while. Maybe I'm supposed to cut like more. Maybe I'm supposed to like snip this corner out.
Okay, try it.
Okay. I'll just put it like. Okay, so now I'm going to be decorating 2 cookies, and they are Dad's cookies.
Yes, Callie's going to decorate a couple of these cookies with the chocolate pen, with the pink chocolate.
Yeah.
So we'll see how this works.
It's coming.
Is it coming out?
Yeah, it's coming out. Trying to make a circle on this. There we go. That's my little circle there. Okay. Now I'm gonna
Make a heart.
yeah.
Oh, look at that. It's coming out pretty good. Well, of course, she has to sneak a taste in.
Tastes really good. Okay. Here's my little heart. It's kind of like a heart, right? It's kind of.
Well, it was until you started playing with it.
Yeah.
Now it looks like a blob.
Okay, I'm just gonna paint the whole thing then. I can just go crazy with it. Maybe I should go and get a knife or something.
Well, no, because you have another cookie, and then we can use a tray.
Okay. I think I can do this.
Because we can show how we'll show how they.
Yeah. Okay. There's one cookie. Okay, now I'm going to do another cookie. And so me and my brother are both going to have one to taste.
All right, we'll stop tasting it. Let's.
Now I'm going to, I think I'm going to do butterfly on this one. There we go.
All right.
There we go. There's my butterfly. It sort of looked like it.
Butterfly slash bat? I don't know. We'll see.
Yeah, butterfly slash bat.
All right.
There we go.
Why don't you put some in the tray?
Can I do a different one?
Yeah.
I want to do this one. I'm going to do this one. So first I'm going to do the strawberry.
All right, let's do the strawberry.
And then the rose. I'm going to try and make it flat.
Okay, so when you're melting the chocolate, make sure that you really melt the chocolate.
Yeah, or else it won't come out.
Or it won't come out. We're having an issue with it not coming out. I think it's because we didn't melt it
It
as much as it should have been.
You really need to melt it for like about 15 minutes.
I'd say around 8 to 9.
We did it for 15 though. Okay, there's my strawberry. I put ginger good. That's for strawberry, if you couldn't tell.
What other one are you going to do?
The rose. I think it will be really pretty because it's pink and you know it's a rose. Okay, there's my little rose. It's very cute. Get that little piece now. There we go.
What other one are you going to use?
I'm going to do the little two hearts that are hugging. There we go. I'm just going to use this chocolate. I don't want to waste any. Okay, so this is my last one that I'm going to do, I think.
Well, why don't you do one more? Because I think you have enough chocolate in there.
Okay.
Or is it not coming out?
It is empty.
Is it empty? Okay. So we'll come back. We'll freeze this. We'll come back in a few minutes and we'll show you how the molds turn out.
Okay, so now I'm done with my chocolate. Well, done with the freezer.
Why don't we pull them in and see what they look?
Here's the strawberry.
Oh, look at that. That looks like a good strawberry there.
Yep.
And what's the other one?
This one is my little rose.
Aww. Little rose. And then
So-
the other one, there wasn't enough chocolate in it,
broke,
so
so-
and it broke. So
I'll just eat the crumbs,
Oh, well.
I guess. Then here are my cookies. This is mine. It kind of looks like a butterfly, right?
butterfly / bat. Who
Yeah.
knows, eh?
Then this is just a plain cookie. And so,
All right, guys. So like this video. Please subscribe to Callie's channel and share with your family and friends. And
bye.
see you later, guys.